Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker when you get out of bed? Maybe climbing stairs, standing from a chair, or walking as far as you used is harder, and you can't quite explain why. What if I told you that after age 60, your legs don't just get tired, they start disappearing? Muscle loss in the lower body accelerates in months, not decades. Studies show that up to 50% of adults over 60 experience significant leg muscle loss, and nearly 80% are unaware it's happening. It's painless, silent, but one day you avoid stairs, feel off balance, or your legs give out when standing. The hard truth: muscle loss doesn't start with a walker. It starts with what you ignore every morning. We often blame age, saying, "I'm just getting old." But science says most age-related decline comes from missed signals and silent choices that either support or weaken your legs. The most overlooked part of the day: your morning routine. What you do or don't do in the first 30 minutes after waking can rebuild strength or quietly erode it. Today, we're sharing 6 scientifically proven morning habits to reclaim leg strength, improve balance, and restore confidence in movement. No gym or fancy equipment needed, just intention and action. Each habit is backed by clinical research, starting simple and building to powerful, meeting you where you are. Challenge: as we explore each habit, pick one to start tomorrow morning, not next week, not someday, but tomorrow. Your legs aren't just how you move. They're how you live, supporting your independence, safety, and identity. Strong legs help you walk taller, think clearer, and live freer. Let's begin this journey together. It's never too late to reclaim your strength. Habit number 6, drink water right after waking. If there's a free, simple habit to instantly boost blood flow, energy, and leg muscle activation, would you do it? You can with a glass of water. Overnight, your body loses fluid through breathing, sweating, and kidney function, leaving you mildly dehydrated by morning. This affects more than thirst. It impacts your legs. Dehydration thickens blood, slowing oxygen and nutrient delivery to your calves, thighs, and feet, the muscles critical for movement and balance. Muscles need water to function. Mitochondria, the tiny engines in muscle cells, convert food into energy but falter without enough water, reducing muscle power. This explains why many seniors feel wobbly or stiff in the morning. It's not just age, it's morning muscle dehydration. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that just 2% dehydration reduced lower body strength, slowed reaction time, and decreased walking endurance in adults over 60, increasing fall risk before breakfast. The fix? Drink 15 to 20 ounces, 450 to 600 milliliters of room temperature water within 10 minutes of waking. Not coffee or juice. Coffee can worsen dehydration, and cold water may shock your system. Room temperature water absorbs quickly, rehydrates muscles, flushes waste like uric acid, and signals your body to move. For a boost, add a pinch of unrefined sea salt or a squeeze of lemon for electrolyte balance. Most seniors skip this, waiting for thirst, but by then, you're already behind. Tonight, place a glass or bottle of water by your bedside. Reach for it first, before your phone or slippers. This simple act isn't just drinking water. It's switching on strength, clarity, and stability. Tomorrow, skip the excuses. Start with water. Fuel your legs before they fade. Habit number 5, seated leg pulses. Waking your legs before standing. When you wake, your body shifts from rest to movement. And for your legs, this transition can be risky without preparation. Most people over 60 swing their feet to the floor and stand without thinking, but going from lying upright puts sudden demand on unprepared legs. If blood flow is slow, muscles are cold, or nerves are dormant, you may feel stiff, unsteady, or dizzy, not just age, but an unprepared system. The first 60 seconds after waking can prevent falls and preserve strength with seated leg pulses. Here's how it works. During sleep, blood pools in your legs, circulation slows, muscles stiffen, and nerves rest. Standing without warming up strains your heart to pump blood against gravity, but sluggish muscles can assist. How to do it? Sit at the edge of your bed. Extend one leg straight. Gently pulse it up and down 2 to 3 inches, keeping motion small and controlled. Engage your thigh, not ankle. Repeat for 30 seconds per leg. You'll feel warmth or a tingle. That's blood flow returning, nerves reconnecting, and balance waking up. A 2020 study in Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found 60 seconds of leg activation before standing improved lower body stability by over 22% in older adults. This preserves neuromuscular coordination, enhancing reflexes, balance, and mid-step adjustments. Seniors report easier stair climbing, fewer stumbles, better posture, and feeling grounded. This isn't exercise, it's communication, signaling your brain, these legs are still needed. Tomorrow, before standing, sit up, pulse your legs, and tell your body, I'm not done walking, climbing, or living. Just 1 minute, no sweat, no strain, just sustained strength. Habit number 4, eat protein within 1 hour of waking. Imagine waking with an empty fuel tank and starting the day with toast or coffee. For most seniors, this drains leg strength daily. After 60, anabolic resistance makes muscles less responsive to protein, requiring more effort and timing to maintain them. The critical window? The first hour after waking. After fasting overnight, your body is in a catabolic state, breaking down muscle for energy. Without intervention, this continues, especially in your legs, the body's largest muscle group. A study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found older adults eating 25 g of protein within 1 hour of waking preserved twice as much leg muscle over 12 months compared to those eating later. Rule * eat 20-30 g of high-quality protein within 1 hour of waking every day. This signals muscles to rebuild, not break down. Missing this keeps your body in breakdown mode, slowing walking, reducing stability, and risking independence. Examples * 2 boiled eggs plus 1 cup Greek yogurt, 26 g protein. Whey isolate shake with almond milk, 25 g protein. 3 eggs scrambled with veggies and cheese, 28 g protein. Cottage cheese plus fruit plus nuts. Not toast, smoothies with 6 g protein, or cereal. Those are muscle builders. Early protein stabilizes blood sugar, boosts metabolism, improves brain function, and reduces cravings. Seniors report more energy, better appetite control, and stronger legs within weeks. Tomorrow, before coffee or emails, eat protein. Every breakfast is a choice. Rebuild or decline. Choose strength. Habit number 3, morning sunlight, activating legs through light. 5 minutes of morning sunlight could mean the difference between strong or weak legs after 60. Sunlight hitting your skin within 30 to 60 minutes of waking sends a biological signal to regulate hormones and repair muscles, especially in the lower body, where blood flow and bone health decline with age. Vitamin D, acting like a hormone, supports muscle contraction, bone density, and balance. Most seniors are deficient, as aging skin produces less vitamin D from sunlight, worsened by limited outdoor time. A 2022 study in Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found daily morning sunlight increased leg strength and reduced fall risk by 31% in older adults. Vitamin D also aids amino acid absorption, enhancing protein's effectiveness. Morning sun boosts cortisol for energy, improves sleep, reduces inflammation, and enhances calcium absorption for bones. How to do it *. Step outside in short sleeves or shorts for 5 to 10 minutes. Sit by an open window, glass filters UVB. Cloudy days still work. It's about light spectrum, not heat. If outdoors isn't possible, use a light therapy lamp, consult a doctor. This isn't about tanning. It's about activating systems for strength and balance. Tomorrow, after water and leg pulses, step into the light. Your legs will wake up. Habit number 2, deep squat holds. The wall against leg muscle loss ***. Squats are the king of movements, engaging major leg muscles and preserving independence. After 60, thighs, hips, and glutes, your stabilizers, naturally weaken without a daily signal to keep them. Deep squat holds or chair-assisted squats deliver that signal. Squats activate quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and core, stimulating hormones like IGF-1 and testosterone for muscle and bone health. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Physiology found daily squatting preserved more leg strength and balance than walking alone. How to do it *. Stand in front of a chair or countertop for support. Lower hips into a squat, As deep as safe, hold 10 to 20 seconds, then stand slowly. Repeat 3 to 5 times, increasing depth or hold time as you strengthen. Or hover above a chair seat without sitting. This isn't about athletic muscle, but keeping brain muscle pathways active. You'll feel thigh burn, slight trembling, or elevated heart rate. Signs your body is responding. Squats improve circulation, oxygen delivery, and metabolism, preventing atrophy, bone loss, and unsteady gait. Tomorrow, in your morning routine with 3 minutes of squats. No weights, no excuses, just strength sustained. Frame picture, image prompt for part 6 asterisk. An elderly man performing a squat in front of a sturdy chair, holding the backrest for balance. His thigh and glute muscles are highlighted in a glowing overlay. A digital clock reads 7:15 a.m. Background shows soft indoor lighting and a sense of calm focus. Style, photorealistic, health and mobility theme. Habit number 1, barefoot walking, awakening your balance system. After hydrating, activating muscles, eating protein, catching sunlight, and squatting, one final habit completes the routine. Barefoot walking. Your feet's sensory nerves send instant feedback to your brain about pressure, position, and stability. Shoes dull these signals, leading to weak foot muscles, poor ankle mobility, and higher fall risk. A 2022 study in Journal of Aging Research found 5 minutes of morning barefoot walking improved ankle stability, calf activation, and balance by over 30% in 4 weeks. How to do it asterisk. Find a clean, hard surface, hallway, kitchen. Remove shoes and socks. Walk slowly, heel to toe for 5 minutes, feeling the ground. Hold a wall or countertop if needed. This reconnects brain to foot, improving posture, reducing swelling and enhancing stability. It stimulates nerve health, circulation, and reduces joint wear. Tomorrow, before socks or slippers, take a short barefoot walk to awaken your foundation for movement. Every small step is a big win. You've learned 6 science-backed habits to reclaim strength and protect your legs after 60. 1. Hydrate first to boost circulation. 2. Seated leg pulses to reconnect brain and muscle. 3. Morning protein to fuel repair. 4. Early sunlight for vitamin D and balance. 5. Squat holds to maintain muscle. 6. Barefoot walking to awaken balance. None require a gym or money, just a decision. Muscle loss starts with silent shifts, slower steps, longer chair rises, stair wobbles, or avoiding outings. But you're not done walking, climbing, or living. Every morning, your body asks, do we need these muscles? Your habits answer. Challenge asterisk. Start one habit tomorrow. Water, leg pulses, or sunlight. Comment below. Which habit are you choosing? What change do you hope to see? Your commitment could inspire others. Subscribe for more, share with someone you care about, and keep moving. Your legs are just getting started.